Welcome to our guide on how to harness your body's natural ability to burn fat for fuel. Whether you're on a weight loss journey or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, understanding the science behind fat metabolism and the practical steps to promote fat burning can be a game changer. In this video, we'll explore the key principles, dietary strategies, and lifestyle adjustments that can help you tap into your body's fat stores for energy, helping you achieve your fitness and wellness goals. So, let's dive in and discover how to make your body a lean, mean fat burning machine. Vegetables can help support fat burning and weight loss in several ways. Most vegetables are low in calories, making them a great choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake. When you consume fewer calories than your body needs, it can lead to a calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. Many vegetables are rich in dietary fiber. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall food intake. It can also slow down the digestion and absorption of nutrients, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. Some vegetables, particularly non-starchy ones like leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables, e.g., broccoli, cauliflower, have a high thermic effect. This means that the body expends more energy, calories, to digest and process these foods, contributing to increased calorie expenditure. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for overall health. When you eat a diet rich in these nutrients, your body functions more efficiently, which can support a healthier metabolism and fat loss. Many vegetables have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated and reduce feelings of hunger. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can aid in weight management. Certain vegetables contain compounds that may help boost metabolism or improve insulin sensitivity. For example, capsaicin in chili peppers may temporarily increase metabolic rate, while foods rich in chromium, like broccoli, may help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber and volume of vegetables can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings for high-calorie, unhealthy foods. This can make it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. Some proponents of alkaline diets argue that vegetables, particularly leafy greens, help maintain a slightly alkaline environment in the body, which they believe supports weight loss. However, the scientific evidence supporting this idea is limited. It's important to note that while vegetables can be a valuable part of a weight loss or fat burning strategy, a well-rounded and balanced diet, along with regular physical activity, is essential for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, individual results may vary, so it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian to create a personalized nutrition plan that suits your specific needs and goals. Subscribe to our channel for more weight loss tips.